was something about.
Hi, this is Patricia Sunshine,
This is Okolo.
and we're just here at the Riverwalk taking a nature walk. This is one of our favorite spots to go. Just enjoy the scenery.
One thing I've been thinking about recently is how to heal myself. And what I mean by that is my muscles are tight. I've got pains, aches and things that I guess you would say are pretty normal for middle age. But I also know that they're not necessary. So, one of the things Patricia Sunshine is what's the word you would use to be able to make tonics.
I'm just very good with making natural remedies.
Natural remedies, yeah. She's put me on to a lot of things that are helping in the process. So this will be a journey. So I would encourage all middle-aged people who you might feel that occasional ache or pain, come along with us and get back, one, to your high school weight, and
if that was a good weight.
If that was a good weight.
If it was healthy, right?
Right. If it was, get back to, forget high school weight. Get to a healthy weight. That's the bottom line. It doesn't have to be high school.
Well, one thing I like to say is that growing old does not mean growing ill. Sometimes people let things go because of their age, but there are lots of healthy 90-year-olds out there, So I've just never been one to overlook issues, So if something's going on within our bodies, we need to pay attention and don't neglect yourself first and foremost. It's like a car, If you don't take care of something, doesn't it normally seem like something else goes wrong? So, with your bodies, make sure that you first pay attention to yourself and know what's normal for you.
Right.
And once you know what's normal for you, don't accept anything else, Don't just let things slide. So growing older does not mean growing ill.
Great point.
So there are different things we can do for ourselves to maintain. It's really about taking preventative measures.
If there was one word of advice in terms of improving health that you would give to people, what would it be?
I would say drink water and lots of it. Drink water.
Yeah, that gets rid of so many problems.
Yeah, it flushes fat. It suppresses cravings sometimes, It flushes toxins out of your body. It helps your skin to look nice and smooth and plump, no matter, water certainly couldn't hurt unless you drink way, way, way too much of it. So I don't think anybody's going to really do that. I hope not. But at least, what, 8 glasses a
Yes,
day?
in your program,
Excuse me.
Not Your Hollywood Diet, you suggest 22 ounces 3 times a day. So that would be 66 ounces. Another way I've heard it
Mm-hmm.
is, what is it? You take is it your body weight? No, there's some body weight calculation for how much water you should drink.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think it's half